All right, in this example, I'm going to show you what's called the calculation assistant. And I'm thinking I should teach you that first before we do the other quick tables, because it will help you understand what the data is actually doing. So I'm going to go ahead and clear the original one we had. So we just go clear table calculation. We are now at our most basic level, all right? And I'm going to add in a graphic. So if I grab this and I'm going to duplicate it, see that little plus come up, right? So if I hold control on the keyboard, that duplicates it. Nice little trick. And I don't want to have this kind of scroll thing, so I'm just going to go entire view, right, to squeeze it all in. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing, a running total. And if I go ahead and do, let's actually get rid of the labels, right? I'm going to go like this, right click, quick table, running total. And that's going to assume just a standard one going this way, right? And I'm going to actually change my drawing tool back to red. Okay, to see the actual direction, right, there's a neat little feature. If I go into here and go edit, right, these numbers in square brackets come up, and that actually tells you what direction the calculation is going. That's it. And if it starts again at 1, it means that it's a different set of calculations. If I do across then down, you'll see that it's going 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going this way, right? Like a zigzag, kind of going like that. If I go across, you can see it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you can actually see where the start and finish is of each kind of stream, if you will. If you go pane across, you see that they're all ones, okay, because they're all just kind of ones. If you go pane down, so again, we're looking at this kind of smaller segment, right? And it's going 1, 2, 3, 4, and then starting again at the next pane. Right? And this you will see in other graphics. So if we do one, for example, with the date, let me just create a fresh one. If I get order date, right, we do month. Let's bring in sales. And I'm going to make this a running total. Okay. And I'm going to go edit table calculation. You'll see the numbers come up again. Okay. If I split this by, let's say, category, maybe this one. Okay. And if I do a edit, right, again, it will show the numbers. If I switch this to pane across, you'll see that the numbers have started again. So you got 1 all the way to 48. You got 1 through 48. And that means everything's starting from 0 from here. And then if I do the other ones, then you get other types of behavior, okay, which in this case, that's really the pane. So there's not much more that's going to happen there because we haven't got a bottom part, right? But that's what the calculation assistant does. And you can actually turn that on or off depending if you want to keep it. I've never had the need to turn it off because it is so useful. And that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next video.